what's up? This is Mohammed Sajid Hassan. You're watching Sajid's Take. So here in this video, I'm going to talking with you about now you needn't to waste your money and you needn't to buy an extra webcam for your desktop or your laptop. And now you can use your mobile phone as your webcam for your desktop or your mobile phone. So how you can use it and what's that trick? To know about that, you need to watch this video from the first to the last. Before starting, there are a request. If you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, first of all, here you need to install two apps in both your desktop and your Android mobile phone. In your desktop case, here you need to add this droidcam app, and I'll give you that app link in the description below. So from here you can install this software in your desktop. And also for your Android mobile phone or your iPhone, here there is another app. This is also the droidcam. So here whenever you just go to this, here this is the app droidcam, and you need to install this app in your mobile phone. After installing it for the first time, here what you have to do, you need to open your desktop app, and now you also need to open up your Android mobile phones app too. And here after that you need to plug in your device, that means your desktop, with your mobile phone by USB there. And after that, here you need to set something, your USB, go to the settings, and from here you need to go to on this USB debugging, and here after just searching it you will get it. Go to on this USB debugging, and here in this developer option you will get it. So if you don't get this developer option, so from here you need to first of all go to in the settings of your mobile phone, and then here from you will go to in this about phone or my phone or whatever, there have something like your phone details in this option. So from here in this case, this Redmi Mi Note 8 Pro, so here in this MIUI version, if I click for more than 3 to 5 times, that time this developer option will be enabled. So from here, if I go to in this additional setting, and from here I go to in this developer option, and I'll get it. So from here in this is the debugging option, and here from you need to on this debugging option from here. Now it's okay, and here from your USB debugging is on. And now do another thing, that is after connecting your mobile phone with your desktop by your USB, that time you need to go to in the settings again, and here you need to search something like USB tethering, and here I just got this USB tethering, and from here on this USB tethering, and here guys it's okay, no data transfer, and from here just on this USB tethering, from here it's okay. Now from here we will open our this droidcam here, and here guys okay, and for the first time whenever you on it, that time it will be look like that. And here guys you can see that everything is okay. The droid port is 1 2 3 4, and here guys this port will work from here. Now go to on this three dot from here, go to the settings, and from here you can also change your droidcam port from here too as you wish. So for that, here guys go to on this droidcam port, and here it will be 1 2 3 4. So if you want that time you can do it as you wish. I just set it as 1 1 1 1 1. So here from now we are there in our desktop, and whenever we open it, that time it will be looks an option. So from here you can find these options. This is the Wi-Fi. Add your mobile phone with your desktop, but it's not wise for you because it will be a lot of hassle, because whenever your device Wi-Fi signal is going down, that time it doesn't work properly. So here from now what you have to do is that here from you need to reconnect your device again after just off it from here. So here from I just on this device and install this device USB with my Android mobile phone again. Now no transfer data from here, and now go to on this, and here from again click on this USB tethering from here, find out this USB tethering, and now OK it from here, and it's okay. Now from here just refresh this data from here, and it will be refreshing, and here from now, here you need to open this droidcam port again. And here we are guys, and now you can see that this Redmi Note 8 Pro, this is my mobile phone, is on. Now here from you need to change this data port from here, as we select 111141, that means port 1 here. Now click on this start, and here guys you can see that hi, I'm here, and here you can see it from here guys. Now by this way you can use your mobile phone as your webcam, and now by this webcam you can now make a video call to your friend. So by this way it will work for you, and it will be really interesting for you, and now it will be also cost consumption for you guys. So yeah guys, this is the thing that I want to share with you, by which now you can also turn your Android mobile phone or iPhone as your webcam for your desktop or your laptop, whatever you want. So yeah guys, this is the thing. Guys, I hope it will be really interesting for you. So for that reason I request you, please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.